In my second trimester, my husband got me the strangest thing, a mouthpiece for snoring. I laughed hard. But the truth? It worked. Despite being 5 months pregnant, I slept better than I had in years. No more midnight mouth breathing. No more feeling foggy all day. The Somnofit-S is a soft, adjustable mouthpiece that helps keep your airway open while you sleep. No noise, no wires, no weird pressure masks. Just one weird little gift that totally saved my sleep and my husband's sanity. The best part? They have a 120-night guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, send it back for a full refund.